I hope you people are doing so well. Thanks for being here. Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to show you some amazing palette wood project and the art ideas from scrap wood that will sell like a hot cake, and you can earn a handsome amount of money by selling this project. So let's get started and keep watching. For more interesting videos, please do subscribe our YouTube channel. In recent years, the use of palette wood has gained significant popularity among the do-it-by-yourself enthusiast, craftsman, and the artist. Pallets, which are often discarded after use, can be repurposed and transformed into a unique and aesthetically appealing creation. Whether you are looking to earn some extra income or simply want to include in a creative outlet, here are some palette wood projects and the art ideas that are highly demand and sell like a hot cake. So keep watching and keep subscribing our channel. Palette wood is an excellent material for crafting rustic style furniture pieces. From coffee table to a bookshelf to a bed frame or outdoor benches, the weather and the distressed look of a palette wood adds character and the charms to any space. People are often drawn to the warmth and the aesthetically of these handmade creations, making them a highly demand and sought after item in the market. The palette wood lends itself perfectly to a wall art and a decor. By cutting a arranging palette slat into a various shapes and the sizes, you can create a stunning wall hanging, picture frame, and the mirrors. Incorporating elements like stenciled quotes, painted design, and even attaching a mason jars to the rustic vase holder and can add a personalized touch. These pieces are not only visually appealing but also make for a great conversation started, making them a hit among the buyers. The versatility and durability of palette wood make it ideal for the outdoor project, particularly garden planter. With the little creativity, you can transform your old palette wood into a beautiful planter that are perfect for the flowers, herbs, and even a small vegetables. People who enjoy a garden or want to bring a touch of nature to their living spaces are often willing to invest in these unique and eco-friendly creations. The palette wood shelving unit are both functional and decorative, making them highly desirable among the homeowners. From kitchen spices rack to the bathroom shelving or living room display unit, palette wood can be transformed into a stylish storage solution. The natural texture and the color of the variation of the wood enhance the overall aesthetic appeal, allowing these shelving unit to stand out in any room. Wine enthusiast and the homeowner like it very crazily and create a cozy, entertaining space. Often seek out palette wood wine rack in the bars. By repurposing your old palette wood, you can design elegant wine storage system and even build a full-fledged home bar with the shelving and elegant wine storage system. The rustic charm of a palette would add a touch of sophistication to these pieces, making them highly marketable. The demand of pet furniture and the accessories has been rising day by day, and the palette wood can provide a perfect solution for dog beds, cat scratching post, or the food bowls standing in the toy storage. There are endless possibilities for creating unique and functional pieces of pet. Owners are often willing to invest in a self-crafted, well-crafted, handmade item that cater of their furry friend need while adding a style to their home. Pallet wood, sign with a personalized message or the quotes have become increasingly popular in home decor by cutting pallet into various shapes and the sizes, sanding them down and adding a painted or the evergreen design. You can create a customized sign or a wedding, birthday or a home entrance. The rustic charm and the sensational value associated with these pieces make them highly sought after a time. In conclusion, pallet wood project and the art ideas are scrap have become increasingly popular in the market for furniture to the wall decor to the garden planters and the furniture. There is a wide range of opportunity to showcase your creativity and the craftsmanship by tapping into the demand for unique and the eco-friendly products. You can create pallet wood creation that will sell like a hot cake and bring joy to a buyers seeking one of a kind pieces of their homes or as a gift. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting video. Thank you so much.